I was up at 8 a.m.
Okay.
I
Are you
used-
early riser?
I'm actually not an early riser, but of course, around work, there's so much excitement that, on the contrary, I actually don't get sleep as well, you know, because I'm so charged. But I love it and I'm passionate about it. And who doesn't want to get onto the chair? I've heard a lot of complaints about people saying, oh my God, it takes so long, but I'm all enthused about this process. Because I feel it's also a part of embracing yourself before you get started. And so this, I feel like, is my me time, and it's quiet, and I'm in this beautiful boutique by Ra, and with my fantastic team, Sonia and Sitara, who's going
Naam hi
to
pyara hai, Sitara.
yeah, and we're going to create this really
New look.
new look.
But you know, your look is every time different. You know,
It
you
is.
look everything. Western, I've seen you traditional, sari, whatever you wear.
Yeah.
I mean, the way of carrying is always, you know, very easy for you.
I have
How?
to say, I have always, since a very little girl, admired my mom, and she would have this process. She's retired now, but she was working with Air India as an air hostess.
Yes.
And we all know how hostesses have to be prim and proper.
Yes.
And unlike so many others, I'd actually, okay, I may not say that, but no, let me just say that my mom was very disciplined. So there were certain things like a certain nail polish color which was allowed, and no matter what gel polish came in or the trends came in, I'd always see her paint her nails in the pearl white, and she'd do this nice bun and take her time, and early mornings, I don't know how she'd do this, like the perfect eyeliner. So I'd just be in awe, and I'd be staring at my
So
mom,
sweet.
and I'd say, oh my God, I hope I can grow up to be as beautiful and as elegant as her. So if anyone feels that, I think whatever little I am, it's just one part, like one little ratio of who my mom is. And so yeah, I think I'm an extension of her, and
So
I
I-
got this from.
For daughters, you know, I know, you know, we always admire our mothers, how they get ready. They are first role models of
They
our
really
life.
are our first inspiration
exciting.
and our first visual to how we should be also treating ourselves. And sometimes, of course, we're told by words, but so much is observed just by who they are and how they carry themselves.
Exactly.
And I think I've just been born with this little observation skill that I've been told by many. So like I said, I mean, even when I'd walk in to school with her for open house day, I promise you, you guys are going crazy about me, but no one would look at me. They'd just be like, oh my God, her mother's so pretty.
That's why the
And she
daughter is
still is.
pretty. The
I
genes
think
are
it's-
there.
it's definitely
so
the
from
genes.
the childhood also you love, you know, doing
I did.
makeup, admiring yourself. and you
Actually,
know that
I actually did not have the permission to wear too much makeup growing up, and I'm so grateful, because everybody who does makeup, like Sonia would agree, and so many others, say that my skin is flawless.
Yes.
And it is only because I didn't tamper with it growing up. I used to go to school with oiled hair, 2 plaits. It was a kajal because that was almost not visible, but this one time my teacher found out, and she's like, you're wearing kajal to school, and I was punished and I was crying. I said, oh my God. Then moved on to blush. So the very natural looking things, I stepped into makeup a lot later. And I'm really happy, because in the process, sometimes, you know, growing up, the trends have started, the exposure started. So the young students want to have those layer cuts, and I saw fringes and bangs, and I was like, I want to do something like that. She's like, no, you will have blunt hair, you will have thick hair, which was really something that I'm grateful for, because especially in this field, you know, you're constantly being styled.
Yes.
And I think I've kind of had the threshold to bear with all the heat on my hair, and my skin still not feel, you know, itchy or dry, because of the lifestyle that I followed since I was very little. So for all you young girls, there is a time for this. Beauty comes later. Initially, I think all you want to do is vibe with yourself, get along, get dirty, play adventure, play
Yeah.
sports, and really discover who you are growing up.
great. So